Himalayan Health is a 6-week summer study abroad program that enables students to earn 9 credits while taking experiential education courses. Students from previous years have called these life-changing and absolutely amazing. The program is run by Dr. Joseph Alter with a focus on medical anthropology, public health, yoga, and environmental conservation in the spectacular mountains of North India. The program is based in the town of Mussoorie, an old colonial-era hill station that has become a very popular tourist destination and center for international education in Asia. Mussoorie extends along a ridge on the first range of the Himalaya, about 250 miles north of Delhi. Our program is supported by Woodstock School, the oldest and most prestigious international boarding school in India. The Woodstock School campus is located just to the east of the town of Mussoorie at an altitude of 6,500 feet above sea level, making it cool and comfortable in the summer. Himalayan Health has exclusive use of the Hanifl Center for Outdoor Education, a self-contained campus on the edge of the Woodstock School campus. The Hanifl Center has a dining room, seminar rooms, a dormitory, and campground. It provides logistical and instructional support with the most highly qualified and experienced teachers of emergency medicine on staff and a network of guest lecturers who provide instruction on public health, environmental conservation, and yoga. The Hanifl Center sits on the end of a ridge overlooking the high Himalayas to the northeast and an expanse of forests and villages on the rural landscape of the mountains of Uttarakhand. As the topography shows, students enrolled in Himalayan Health will do a lot of walking and a lot of climbing. Himalayan Health is a 6-week program with 2 tracks. As students, you will need to choose between wilderness first responder and yoga. Everyone studies together for the first 2 weeks in a course that focuses on public health and the environment. The 2 tracks separate on May 18th, with one track focusing on yoga and the other one focusing on wilderness first responder training. Both tracks run from May 18th to June 7th, with expeditions and experiential education programs. On June 8th, the 2 tracks come back together with a trip to Delhi and Agra before departure on June 10th. During the first 2 weeks, students experience the environment around Mussoorie, including a hike to nearby villages and an opportunity to study conservation and environmental health at Jaberkhet Nature Reserve. The Wilderness First Responder track is taught by experienced WFR guides, including staff from the Hanifl Center, who provide certification training for government and military personnel around the country of India, as well as staff members from Ari Medicine, based in Montana, who have trained rangers in the National Park Service of the United States. Students in the WFR track gain intensive hands-on experience while engaged in emergency scenario drills and attending lecture demonstrations by Hanifl staff and physicians at the Landauer Community Hospital in Mussoorie. The yoga track focuses on both the physical practice of postural training in the Himalayas while highlighting the 4 primary aspects of yoga: selfless service, devotion, meditation, mindfulness, and intellectual development. The 4 paths or aspects of yoga are explored in the context of expeditions that make it possible for students to develop their ability to practice postures and breathing exercises while also exploring how intellectual development can be extended to outdoor education and conservation work. Although meditation is often spoken of and thought of to be an aspect of mental concentration, students will go on an extended trek into the mountains to experience the relationship between the sacred geography of the Himalaya and the way in which meditation produces higher consciousness. Devotion is manifest in acts of pilgrimage, and students in the yoga track will spend 3 days in the town of Rishikesh to understand the relationship between ritual life and spirituality. As a town on the banks of the sacred Ganga River, Rishikesh is not only a pilgrimage center, it is said to be the birthplace of yoga itself. What that means will be an important part of each student's intellectual development. But as a place where modern yoga has been invented, Rishikesh provides a wonderful environment in which to understand the relationship amongst physical fitness, environmental activism, meditation, and devotion. In previous years, students on our Pitt in Himalaya program have enjoyed classes on the banks of the river. Often these classes are taught by local experts who specialize in yoga tourism economy, teaching upriver from the town of Rishikesh. Because Rishikesh is on the banks of the sacred river as it emerges out of the Himalaya mountains, it provides a perfect context in which to contemplate the relationship among ecology, health, and mindfulness. At the end of the 6-week program, both the yoga track and the WFR track join together to go on an expedition to the Taj Mahal. This will give students an opportunity to see one of the 7 architectural wonders of the world. So, if you are interested, please join Dr. Alter and a group of about 40 students from the University of Pittsburgh for an experience that will change your life. Please join us and sign up and enroll now.